Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and we can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one that looks like a moon. You can tap on it, then tap on the check mark to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. As you can see, it says Do Not Disturb mode enabled, and also the icon will change the color. Right here. And if you want to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, rather tap on the icon, or rather open the quick panel and tap on the icon again, like this. As you can see, it says Do Not Disturb mode disabled. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode via the settings on your smart band. So we can swipe down to open the quick panel, tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called Do Not Disturb, tap on it. And here we have two options, all day and scheduled. If you tap on the switch below the all day, then tap the check mark, you will simply enable the Do Not Disturb, and it's gonna be enabled until you turn it off. So to turn it off, simply tap on the switch again. But if you enable the scheduled option, you will be able to basically make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb. So basically, when it turns on and turns off automatically. So we have the start and end time. Tap on the start first, and here we can set the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically. I'm gonna set it to something like 10 p.m., maybe 10:30. So let's find the 30. Like this, then tap on OK. So we have start time 10:30 p.m. Then I'm gonna tap on end rather, and set it to maybe 6:30. So let's scroll through the list, select 30 and tap on OK. So now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on 10:30 p.m. and turning off on 6:30 a.m. And if you want to disable the schedule, you can simply tap on the switch again, like this. And once you're done customizing your settings, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. Okay, and that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.